Grim Reaper, nagsusulat ng plano? Ano kaya itsura? Let's find out! For this project, gumamit tayo ng posing app called Post-it. At itong sketch, ginawa natin yan sa iPad using Procreate. This is a commissioned artwork for Sub Rosa at napakaangas ng concept ni client, nagpaplano na Grim Reaper. Itong line art at colors, ginawa natin yan sa Adobe Illustrator. Now, let's add more details. Let's go! Shoutout nga pala kina Ken Lloyd Domingo, Ralph Palalimpa, Ken Gonzalez, at Ella Antonio. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. Now, let's check out the details. Sa taas, may rosas. Sa gitna, yung madetalye nating Grim Reaper. Check out pa natin yung libro. Madetalye pa rin yan. Hanggang sa kanyang frame. Sa baba, may nakalagay na the planning. At quotes na, he who fails to plan, plans to fail. And of course, vector artwork po yan. Here's the full layout. Here's the front design. Here's the mock-up. Kung kailangan mo na maangas na design like this one, PM lang. Salamat!